Hello and welcome to day number 94 of our Travel Trader series. As you can see, I'm back home, so now we got more time and therefore more trades as well. Well, first of all, I was telling that the markets will go down, and as we can see, they came up a little bit yesterday, but today they don't follow up, so obviously we got the right turning point. And therefore we're doing something right, and currently we have 4 open trades, 4 new trades. So one of our open trades is the Dow Jones, where I expect it to drop and go down further. I doubled up my position yesterday and then we went into the negative. Today we're back into the positive, so we are at plus €15.20 when I looked at it. But I'm very convinced that we will go down further, and therefore we will make some more money. On the other side, the oil price now came back enormously. We are now on the positive. We are up €66.20, so that's a very nice movement, and I'm pretty sure that we will gain some more momentum, as it looks like Donald Trump was tweeting something about Russia and Saudi Arabia and how these things could evolve. So let's see what happens next. Either way, the oil price was very low, and therefore we expected it to go up anyway over the next few weeks, so we still have some time to go and some more money to be earned. Then silver turned around, so we are negative, means silver price went up, and as we are short making money when the price goes down, we actually lost a little bit, so we're currently down at minus $163. Anyway, it's not really going up either, so it's more like a sideways movement, and I'm pretty sure we will drop down very soon following the markets as well. Then one of our new trades from yesterday, Euro US dollar, went down further. Yeah, I think I'm in a short position. Gotta check that, not that I'm telling something wrong, but I think I'm in a short position, so short Euro, long US dollar. And that went up to $1,701.70, so very nice gain for first 24 hours. We will hold it open over the weekend and see what how it develops next week, and hopefully we make a little bit more money out of it. Very rewarding trade, and looking forward to see the Euro US dollar go in our favor at the beginning of next week. 4 new trades, as it was now 3 new trades actually. Euro US dollar was the one that was already new from yesterday, so I put up a position in wheat. Currently we are up €84, not too much, but there still is some way to go. So wheat price went up, retraced, came back, and now I think it will go up again. Another trade that I opened is cotton. Cotton worked out very well today as well, so we were up, when I looked at it, €293, so that's pretty good for a day as well. Not as good as Euro US dollar, but pretty close. And then I put in another position in US dollar, Singapore dollar. So I think that the US dollar will go up against the Singapore dollar. So far it works out quite nice. So we made 942 Singapore dollars, which is roughly 600 euros, roughly a little bit above 600 euros. So not too bad for a day, and you're likely to see some more movements upwards. This morning I wasn't doing some index trading. When I saw how the markets developed, I thought that we will have some momentum, but I wanted to enjoy being home again rather than sitting in front of the computer earning some money. So from Monday on we will do some more index trading, so we will have some quick gains as well, plus the things that we are doing anyway, so we're looking forward to it. Now over the weekend I will have a look into some interesting topics so I can explain a few new things to you, and we can have an outlook what to do and what to trade over the coming week so that we can ramp things up and get the account bigger and bigger so that when we arrive again at our charity trading, we will make it worthwhile for the next charity that we choose to make some money with. That's the update for today. So 3 new trades, all 3 positive, around €1,000 up. Our existing trades turn around very well. So we are up roughly €1,500. That's okay. So €2,500 that we are currently in the positive. Let's see that we get a little bit more and that we can add some into our mentoring account. So thank you very much for watching. I wish you a great evening, and I see you again tomorrow with some nice learning topic so we can get your knowledge to the next level. Thank you very much. Have a great evening and goodbye.